Alright, what is up guys? Midget Obelix. That was a great start. Today we're gonna be doing FSPR patrol. So we actually oh yeah, I see. Bruv. Boys. Yeah, so as I was saying before, we're going to do a bit of an FSRP patrol as FSPR. Kind of enjoying the update so far, especially the Durango they added to the team. It's kind of nice. I wonder if they're actually driving a stolen FST Tahoe. I don't die on this patrol. Shots fired before. I want to see if the scene's clear or not. Alright, it doesn't look like we've got anything going on over here. Looks like it's all code 4. Hold on. Hot mic, rip. But yeah. But yeah, we're gonna probably patrol the gate for a minute, see what's going on. Hearing some vehicle moving around. I mean, because we got shots fired, I'm gonna probably keep my gun out. Hopefully, we don't get into any more shootings, because we've already had a lot of people try and kill us today. So, high alert, really. Obviously, in Wisp stream yesterday, he had a Ford Ranger, Ford Raptor, which is limited to him only, which is lucky. But you know what? I'm happy with the cars as they are. I don't need any more cars. Just waiting on that FD update, you know? And the EMS one. Kinda hyped for both of those. This guy, pretty recognizable. The guy who tried to shoot me up before I started the video. Kinda cool, not gonna lie. I didn't check the what the? What the hell? What the hell? Yep, his is expired. There we go. It's pretty insane stuff. Oh. This guy's struggling to buy a ticket. Big rip. I'm not in the park. Yeah, of course you're not in the park. Oh! Oh, it looks like we already got a pursuit. Oh lord. Oh, we have a trespasser. Oh, and someone stole my cruiser. Of course they did. Wow, some people, man. Look at that. Nicked my car. I'm gonna lock it. Oh, that sounds like red. Oh, red's gonna be getting in soon. Yeah, I'm gonna go find out where red is. I hear him. He's getting closer. He's coming to attack us. He's invading. Whee! Gotta enjoy the lag, you know. The lag of a terrible PC in the midst. Oop. That didn't happen. Here he comes. Anyways, I guess we can sum this patrol up. Oh, wait. RIP. Well, looks like they got away. You just hear Red's car in the distance. So I guess we should probably just sit outside the park gates. That'll probably be a better idea, right? I might shut off this entrance for now. See where it goes. Alright. See if they come up here at any point. That'll be pretty good. Alright. Yeah, so there you have stage 3 lying on the Durango. Really nice side runners. You have the plate lights, the traffic advisors, and obviously the regular light bar. Have the normal park ranger logos on the cars. Pretty nice. They have actually wigwags. I think they have, yeah, the ones on the back as well, which is pretty cool. But obviously there's 2 other cars which I mentioned in my last video description, so if you want to go check it out then you can. I'll put some other stuff that I just noticed they had. So I never noticed before, but I don't know if they just added this, but you can now click on the map in the corner and it disappears and appears back in. They fixed the batons on the FSPR team. And the taser works as well now. Other things they added, you buy tickets at the gate now as well. So obviously I have mine, but you can actually buy the tickets at the entrance of the park gates, the main gates. So yeah. But that's all I got really. I think I can go code 4 now, but I think I might just end the video there. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, turn notifications on, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video or patrol.